Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga viewers o subscribers. Kumusta kamong tanan? Welcome og balik sa akong channel. This is Mardy ug sa video karon atong hisgutan ang usa sa labing mahinungdanong panghitabo sa kasaysayan sa Pilipinas, ang pagpatay ni Ninoy Aquino. Atong tukion ang mga pangutana nga hangtod karon wala pay klaro nga tubag. Nganong ang mga nagplano sa iyang kamatayon nagpabiling dili mailhan, ug nganong bisan ang iyang gamhanang anak, ang kanhi Presidente Benigno Aquino III, wala magpadayon sa pag-imbestiga sa kamatuoran. Stick around as we uncover the mystery that still haunts the nations today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. The assassination of Ninoy Aquino on August 21, 1983 marked a pivotal moment in Philippine history. His murder, carried out in broad daylight with precision, could have been witnessed and reported globally had circumstances been slightly different. Bisan pa sa kataas nga profile sa kaso, walay dakong paningkamot nga gihimo ang iyang anak, si Benigno Aquino III, aron tukion ang tinuod nga nahitabo sa pagpatay, lakip na ang identidad ni Rolando Galman, the alleged triggerman. This is surprising given Aquino's otherwise vengeful nature and his powerful position as President of the Philippines. In contrast, those involved in the assassination have worked to erase all traces of their involvement. A key figure in the plot, si Master Sergeant Pablo Martinez, nga naggugol og mga tuig sa prisuhan tungod sa iyang papel, nahimong lalom nga reliyoso ug nagboluntaryo nga ipadayag ang mga mastermind sa krimen. Nagtistigo si Martinez nga si Eduardo Cojuangco, usa ka gamhanang negosyante ug gig-agaw ni Cory Aquino, Aquino's mother, na apil sa komprontasyon. Apan walay gibuhat ang administrasyon ni Aquino aron ipalayon kini, bisan pa nga aduna sila'y mga resources aron tukion ang kaso sa hingpit. Martinez's testimony named several individuals, including Air Force officers and businessmen who were involved, but most of these figures remain unaccountable. Even with the information provided by Martinez, Aquino failed to take action. His lack of interest in resolving his father's murder raises questions about either his psychological state or the possibility of an embarrassing truth being buried. Samtang ang inahan ni Aquino, si Cory Aquino, naglikay usab sa pagpadayon sa isyu sa iyang pagkapresidente. Nakita kini nga usa ka desisyon sa politika aron malikayan ang pagkagubot sa nasod. However, no such justification exists for his son. A dark gap remains in the nation's history as the truth about Ninoy Aquino's murder remains elusive, despite the leads provided by Martinez. Many of those involved are still alive and could be persuaded to reveal more. Yet, Aquino's failure to address the issue leaves the question: how can a nation claim to honor its heroes when justice remains unserved? How can the symbol of the yellow ribbon, which signifies his father's sacrifice, be worn when the truth behind the murder has been ignored? Thank you very much for watching, and according to Roy T. Bennett, accept yourself, love yourself, and keep moving forward. If you want to fly, you have to give up what weighs you down. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Miss Rosana Eng and Katigson TV from Romblon. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, kahimyang.com, Photoscredits2, GetRealPhilippines.com, ipophilippines.gov.ph, upsize.ph, newsinfo.inquirer.net, and autoindustria.com. Inspirational quote credits to thehappylives.com.